I bought and tested these waffle makers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how important it is to find the right kitchen gadget that delivers on its promises, especially when it comes to making those delicious, fluffy Belgian waffles. Let's dive into my top 5 picks. Product number 1, Gourmet Belgian Waffle Maker. Let me tell you about my experience with the Gourmet Belgian Waffle Maker. When I first took it out of the box, I was struck by its sleek stainless steel design and compact size. It's a game changer for small kitchens like mine. The first time I used it, I was excited to see how quickly it heated up. In just a few minutes, I was pouring in my batter, and I loved how the preheat indicator light let me know exactly when it was time. The thick Belgian waffles came out golden brown, with deep pockets just begging for syrup and toppings. One feature that really set this waffle maker apart for me was the adjustable browning control. I like my waffles crispy on the outside but soft inside, and with just a twist of the dial, I could achieve that perfect texture. Cleanup was a breeze too, thanks to the non-stick ceramic plates. I didn't have to wrestle with stuck-on batter. The waffles slid right out. However, there are a couple of downsides. The compact design is great for storage, but it does mean that you can only make one waffle at a time. If you have a big family or are hosting friends, you might find yourself waiting. Also, while the ceramic coating is durable, it's a bit sensitive to metal utensils, so you need to be careful not to scratch it. So why should you consider buying the Gourmet Belgian Waffle Maker? For the price, it's hard to beat. At just under $30, you're getting a quality product that delivers delicious waffles quickly and easily. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly waffle maker that doesn't take up much counter space, this is a fantastic choice. Product number 2, Cuisinart Round Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. Is the Cuisinart Round Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. Right out of the box, it felt like a solid professional-grade appliance. This waffle maker features a unique flip design that ensures even cooking. I remember the first time using it. I poured in the batter and flipped it over. The anticipation built as I waited for that beep, indicating the waffles were ready. When I opened it, the waffles were perfectly fluffy with a nice golden brown finish. One of the things I appreciate most about this model is the thickness. These waffles are 1 inch thick. This means they hold toppings beautifully without getting soggy. The non-stick surface made the cleanup process easy as well. I could just wipe it down with a damp cloth and it looked like new. However, the flip mechanism can be a bit tricky to master at first. I had a couple of close calls where I almost dropped the waffle, so be prepared to practice a bit. Also, while it's great for making 2 waffles at a time, it does take slightly longer to cook compared to some other models. So why consider the Cuisinart Round Flip Belgian Waffle Maker? If you want a professional quality waffle maker that creates thick, restaurant-style waffles, this is your pick. The flip feature enhances even cooking, and it's sturdy enough to withstand frequent use. It might be a bit more of an investment at $59.95, but the quality and results are well worth it. Product number 3, Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker. The Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker is an absolute steal, priced at just $26.08. Right away, I was drawn in by its sleek black design and compact size. What really caught my attention was the rotating feature, which allows for even cooking. I poured in my batter and gave it a gentle flip. In no time at all, I had perfectly cooked waffles. This model is designed with non-stick plates, so I didn't have to worry about the waffles sticking. The adjustable browning control is a fantastic addition, allowing me to customize my waffles from light and fluffy to crispy and golden. I found that the waffles cooked consistently, which is a huge plus when you're trying to make breakfast for a crowd. The removable drip tray was also a lifesaver. It caught any overflow, making cleanup a breeze. On the downside, the plastic construction feels a bit less durable compared to metal models. I was concerned about how well it would hold up over time, but so far it's been working great. The indicator light is a bit small, so sometimes I missed it when it was time to check on my waffles. So why should you buy the Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker? If you're on a budget and want a reliable waffle maker that does the job without breaking the bank, this is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly, and the rotating feature ensures even cooking, making it perfect for families or brunch gatherings. Product number 4. Krups 4-Slice Belgian Waffle Maker. If you're looking to feed a crowd, the Krups 4-Slice Belgian Waffle Maker is where it's at. This stainless steel beauty can churn out 4 waffles at once, making it perfect for family breakfasts or brunch parties. I was blown away by the 1200 watts of power. It heated up quickly, and I was able to start cooking within minutes. The audible ready beep is a thoughtful feature that takes the guesswork out of when your waffles are done. There are 5 browning levels to choose from, so whether you like them light and fluffy or deep and crispy, you can set it just how you like. I found the waffles came out perfectly cooked every single time. The removable plates make cleanup easy, and I loved that I could toss them in the dishwasher. However, the size can be a downside. It takes up more counter space than other models, so make sure you have room. Also, the price tag of $79.99 might be a bit steep for some, especially if you're only making waffles occasionally. So why consider the Krups 4-Slice Belgian Waffle Maker? If you have a large family or love hosting brunches, this is a worthy investment. It delivers on speed, efficiency, and quality, making it a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Product number 5. Chefman Anti-Overflow Belgian Waffle Maker. Last but not least is the Chefman Anti-Overflow Belgian Waffle Maker. This model caught my eye with its innovative mess-free moat design, which prevents batter overflow. I remember my first time using it, and I was amazed at how clean the cooking process was. The non-stick plates made it easy to release the waffles without any fuss. The temperature control is an excellent feature. It allows you to customize how light or dark you want your waffles. I enjoyed experimenting with different settings, and I was pleased with the results every time. The Cool Touch handle also made it easy to operate without the fear of burning my hands. On the flip side, while the moat is great for preventing mess, it can be a bit tricky to clean if batter gets stuck in there. Additionally, the measuring cup included is helpful, but I found it could be a bit too small for larger batches. So why buy the Chefman Anti-Overflow Belgian Waffle Maker? If you want a hassle-free cooking experience with minimal mess, this is the waffle maker for you. It's affordable at $26.92 and offers great features that make it easy for anyone to whip up delicious Belgian waffles in no time. In conclusion, whether you're a casual waffle lover or a dedicated brunch host, there's a waffle maker here for everyone. From compact designs to family-sized options, each of these models has its unique strengths. Choose the one that fits your needs and enjoy the delicious waffles to come.